There's a quiet misunderstanding most people live with. They think aging is just time passing, a fixed clock, something you can't really influence. But biology doesn't agree. Because inside your body, there are actually two ages: your chronological age and your biological age. And they don't always match. Two people can be 40 years old on paper, yet one has the cellular profile of someone much younger, while the other is already showing signs of accelerated aging. The difference isn't luck. It's biology responding to signals. So, what is actually happening under the surface? Every second, your cells are repairing, dividing, and sometimes failing. At the center of this process are things like mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. When they function well, you feel sharp, energetic, alive. When they decline, everything slows down. Then there's DNA damage and telomeres. Telomeres are like protective caps at the end of your chromosomes. Over time, they shorten. Not because of age alone, but because of stress, inflammation, poor sleep, and lifestyle pressure. Aging is not just time. It is wear and tear on information systems. And this is where it gets interesting. Because modern research on longevity is shifting away from magic supplements and towards something far more grounded. The real drivers of aging are not exotic. They are daily signals your body receives over and over again. Chronic inflammation, for example, acts like a slow internal fire. It doesn't hurt immediately, so people ignore it, but over years, it reshapes how your organs function. Sleep deprivation does something similar. It interrupts repair cycles your body depends on. Even constant stress changes hormonal pathways that influence aging at a cellular level. Now, here's the part most people miss. Your body is not passively aging. It is responding. Which means the question is not just, how long do I live? It becomes, what signals am I sending my biology every day? Exercise, especially strength training, tells your body to maintain muscle and metabolic efficiency. Deep sleep tells your brain and cells to repair. Periods of controlled fasting can activate internal cleanup systems. These are not hacks. They are evolutionary responses your body already understands. So slowing aging is less about fighting time and more about reducing the noise that pushes your biology forward too fast. In the end, longevity research is becoming simpler, not more complicated. Not because we know less, but because we finally understand what matters. And it turns out your age is not just counted in years. It's written in signals.